Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the wallpapers and style. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. What's more, we've got this album option, so here you can enter your own gallery and set your photo as the wallpaper. Of course you will have to give all of the permissions it needs, and you've got also the carousel wallpaper. However, let me pick something from the pre-installed options, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it, so maybe this one, and as you can see after tapping it will appear on the full screen. Here you've got also other options, so you don't have to come back to the previous section in order to check all of them. And basically if you will find the one you like the most, simply tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now let's go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.